That was a bit sketchy for my liking.
Where mama?
Call me now, no, if they're on my bed with my half ass clap.
I have to go back to the car again.
And as far as I was aware, there was no fingering.
I dropped my phone down a waterfall.
Okay, lovely. Well, let's go and do something about that.
That's how you start a fucking holiday right there, dude.
I don't know where my seatbelt thing is.
What happened?
I have actually no idea.
Seatbelt plugs.
It's under here.
Dude, you gotta shoot in 4K, man.
Ben, look at that shit.
We're hiking Besegan today, which is a mountain ridge up there. It's about 5,700 feet when you're at the top. And the actual elevation on the climb, so the amount that we climb is over 1,000 meters.
This is me 10 minutes before a 1,000 meter hike.
We're going up here.
Gas though. There starts the rain.
Yeah,
Just about to start raining.
heading up there. I'm hiking Besegan, which is a 14 kilometers long mountain ridge in Norway. It's only a 14 kilometer walk, as I say, which doesn't seem very far, but there's over 1,000 meters of elevation, and at the highest point it's 5,700 feet, or just over. Hence why I'm out of breath. I think it's going to be a tough one, but I've got this. It's pretty steep, eh? A lot of the path is just old riverbed like this, or I don't know about river, but maybe a stream bed, if that's the thing. But it's very slippy. Doesn't really feel like I've got much grip, and it's really wet. Just gotta take it easy. First bit of snow just over there, so we've made some good gains in the height department, but still plenty more to go. So with that first bit of snow, we can see where we are on the trail, just here obviously. So yeah, a lot more to go, but actually in terms of elevation we're not going to go that much higher overall. That's the end of our hike at the end of that lake down there. Little way to go. And our peak is up here on this ridge.
Crazy, that looks like it's from a fantasy novel.
The size of that boat gives some perspective as to how high up we are. Massive, weren't they? Always slippy.
You're right.
That is our destination, Mount Besegan. Now it begins. The rain's come in just as we're on the ridge, which is already slippy at the best of times. And the ridge is getting thinner and extremely steep. Got to climb up this.
My hands are ice cold, boys. It's alright, just push through it.
Ice cold hands.
Ice cold.
Climbing these rocks. At the top, that was rough. That was a bit sketchy for my liking. Don't know about you, Ben.
Agreed.
It's kind of rock climbing on slippy rocks.
You can see the clouds passing down
Yeah, clouds passing by beneath us. Holy moly. Jesus.
I want to see over here.
Here we go. Back at the lake, back at the cafe. We've completed the Besegan hike. That was tough, but we got through it, it's done, and it was great. Amazing views, really awesome.
And what seems like a former romantic partner spiralling dangerously out of control.
It's not a fucking...
this as well.
Go on.
It's cold. My hands are ice cold.
Ooh, it is cold water, isn't it?
Well, we're about to jump in it, so you better get fucking used.
So we've got firelighters,
I'm not going to do
matches.
I have one towel, so...
We're off.
What's the time?
Oh, my phone on me.
Need more wood. No. Excuse me?
Tell you what, probably need more water.
Yeah, can you do the honours? I'd say from the lake.
Is that allowed?
The wood's so dry that it should just light, hopefully. Just lighting the fire.
Holy yeah, baby. Oh, that's giving me the shivers. Is that for your mouth? Woo!
If you swim, it gets cold as shit.
Ooh, yeah.
Go for a little swim.
Oh man.
Thoughts?
Pretty cold.
GoPro need like almost like, you know those suction cups?
They have them.
Oh, right, fair.
When you go to a sauna in a spa, it's not steamy like this though, is it? They keep it dry.
They,
Isn't a steamy sauna just a steam room?
yeah, they're different things.
Oh yeah.
I just don't like how it smells.
Oh, where mama?
Ow.
Enter hammam. First you start
with a sauna like this, really hot. Then you do a steam room, and then you do a hammam, which is where you get completely naked, lie on this big marble stone in the middle of a room, and then they throw hot water on you, cold water on you. It's like it's incredible.
That's kind of cool.
I loved it. It was amazing.
And you don't know what's coming next.
No,
So
your
like,
eyes closed, completely naked. And then they also, part of it is like they scrub you, and after you've done a combination of the dry sauna, the steam room, and all this other shit, the amount of dead skin that comes off your hand, your arms, is insane. And as far as I was aware, there was no fingering.
Even though it's hotter, once you've done the first one,
It's honestly night and day. Your body sort of just like...
it knows what's up. That's the lake sauna done, the floating sauna. How'd you feel, Ben?
Refreshed.
That was amazing. Driving with more.
Police and the company that oversaw operations at Mount Pleasant.
Bond where
I don't think that's here, bud.
it is here.
Is it?
I'll guarantee it.
Are you
They drive along this.
This guy had a bizarre story that Myers needed to hear right now.
Steve's got diamond hands right now. Running fast and loose, mate.
Oh!
I'll take a Yahtzee, please.
Damn.
Hey, you're watching this
You're
on
looking-
TV, aren't you?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's more of a kind you can get.
Two pair.
I hate that so much.
too. Give me a link. Give me the link.
You should actually
I said to
gearing
you.
up.
Didn't I say to you?
I mean, he's not got.
He's on streak for the
You
highest
need
score
4
ever.
times up here.
Yeah.
All of this is insane.
You currently might not get this.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
And now, oh, I actually felt like hitting you then.
Where are the bits?
Are they on your bed?
Call me now, know if they're on my bed with my half
Okay,
rock clap
fucking
on my
forget
bed.
Forget it then.
For
Forget
me
it.
blood clap
Forget it.
bed.
Forget it. I don't want to fucking... I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm over it.
This is the sound of rain. This is the view of the camper van. I've got my head sticking out of where I'm sleeping. It's raining. It's rained for the past 5 days, and I think it's going to rain for the next 5 days. We're on the western coast of Norway. Even further west than the most western town. Out this way is just fog. Or it looks like just fog, but it's actually the ocean, the open ocean. This is also as dark as it gets. It's currently, let's see, 20 to 1 AM, and this is how dark it is. And we've got a little bit further north to go. So you've got to have the blinds shut to get any sleep. I've stopped in the mountains, and the snow is so bright I can barely see.
Oh, Steve. Come in. Still clear, this water is.
Oh my god, it is crystal clear. And there are waterfalls like this everywhere in Norway, and they're absolutely amazing. It's like the most waterfalls I've ever seen in my life. I've been to British Columbia and Canada, where there's loads, but it's nothing like here. I mean, it's been raining every day as well, to be fair, which kind of helps, I guess. So what have you done?
I don't know how many times I've got to say this. I dropped my phone down a waterfall.
Okay, lovely. Well, let's go and do something about that.
Wait, you reckon if I throw this at him that it will help?
Yeah.
It could be worse.
I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's about here.
Can you just guide me?
Just, yeah. Be safe.
Where is it?
Nice.
Right here.
It's noticeably colder up here in the mountains, and our ears have been popping because we're really high up, it seems. Or maybe we're just not used to it. Hey! So we've driven down from the mountains to this lovely fjord to get our ferry to the next destination, or the next island that we need to drive on. As you can see here, we've got this really common thing in Norway, which is a gargantuan cruise ship, a German one. So that's interesting. It's not my way of going around Norway, but it's nice for some. I've got to say, I'm probably jealous of the buffet. And
At least their cruise is getting rained on.
I have to go back to the car again because I'm too cold.
okay, this is the Geiranger Fjord, which is one of the most popular fjords to explore. It's absolutely beautiful.